Well, humidity-wise, it was beautiful across southeast Texas. Had humidity levels in the teens today across southeast Texas. Don't see that very often. Right now, we have temperatures in the upper 60s to around 70. We'll drop on down to the low to mid 60s by morning with clouds increasing throughout the night. Roofing 911 Skycam Network outside the 12 studios. Satellite view showing some high clouds working from west to east across the area. A few sprinkles tonight in the lakes area, though a lot of this not reaching the ground. Now, the cold front that came through this morning that dropped our humidity so nicely, nice levels today, it's just offshore. It's going to come back to the north tomorrow as a warm front, and with that, we'll see a few widely scattered showers in the forecast. About a 20 to 30% coverage coming up tomorrow. Monday and Tuesday look dry. Another cold front comes in windy. Wednesday with wind, we'll have a good chance of showers and thunderstorms with that. And even behind the front, some beneficial rains could be on the way. We could be looking at several inches of rain coming up between Wednesday and Friday on into early next weekend as that front stalls offshore, and we'll see a series of upper level disturbances coming in behind that. We'll show you that coming up in just a moment. But the humidity will be back tomorrow. A few widely scattered showers. Look how dry it is right now. We have dew points in the 40s. That's pretty dry. But watch as I put this into motion. Look at the moisture coming back. Dew points in the upper 60s, near 70. 24 hours from now. So the humidity's back, comes pretty breezy tomorrow, windy next week, back to late spring weather. Here's a look at Futurecast, short range Futurecast, showing a few sprinkles tonight, mainly across portions of the lakes area on up into tomorrow morning to around 10, 11 o'clock. Otherwise, in the afternoon, we'll see a few showers developing here and there, but most of the activity will stay to our north tomorrow. What we mean by north Texas, there'll be a risk of severe weather tomorrow around Dallas, Fort Worth, on over towards Shreveport, back to the northwest, close to Wichita Falls. Could be some pretty rough stuff in North Texas tomorrow. Hopefully not a lot of tornadoes, but that possibility is there in the afternoon in North Texas. Right now, temperatures with our front stall just to the south, we're running in the upper 60s, still 72 at Houston, some 50s and 60s in the northwest. Once again, this front moves back to the north tomorrow as a warm front, so a few showers possible, but by far the biggest concentration of storms will be north of the lakes area on up toward the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. Now, as we head toward the middle end of the week, finally seeing some big changes, it looks like, in the upper air pattern. We have a trough of low pressure out to our west. Notice the colors here. That's a lot of moisture coming back. We have a cold front coming in Wednesday. We'll have plenty of moisture in place. Upper level disturbances. Now I'm going to put this into motion. Watch as we head into even Thursday. I'll stop at Thursday. Look at the upper level energy coming in from the southwest. A lot of lift there, a lot of upper level energy. And even on Friday, lots of moisture disturbances still coming in. So we're going to see 3 or 4 days of the potential for some pretty heavy rains beginning Wednesday of next week on through Friday and early Saturday of the upcoming weekends. Pretty impressive rainfall totals will be possible too. In fact, there's the showers and storms coming through on Wednesday. As we head into Thursday, a little break early. More rains Thursday mornings. Big rains Wednesday, Thursday is shown here. We'll stop it again. More big rains on Friday, hopefully ending by next weekend. So hopefully we won't end up with too much rain by the middle and end of the week, but the potential is there for several inches as you see here. Now this will change some. This is between Wednesday and Saturday of the upcoming week. Some 2 to 4 inches pretty likely. Some isolated 5 inches possible in some areas. Now once again, this will change, probably going down a little bit, but just shows the potential is there for heavy rains middle and end of the week. Tonight, look for overnight lows under increasing clouds to drop on down into the low to mid 60s. So not dropping a whole lot with the clouds in place. Winds becoming southeasterly by morning. Throughout the day tomorrow, you notice most of the showers well to our north. We'll give it a 10 to 20% coverage here in the triangle, 20-30% or so up in the lakes. By far the biggest concentration will be in North Texas. Marine forecast sees 2 to 3 feet. Water temperature 70 degrees. Tonight, increasing clouds and cooler. Overnight lows in the mid 60s. Low humidity tonight, but it comes back tomorrow with a few showers around. Highs in the 80s. And that 10-day forecast. It's dry Monday and Tuesday. Wednesday through early Saturday, showers and thunderstorms. Could see several inches. A little bit cooler too right before Easter, as we talked about earlier.
Okay, so what I'm saying, or what I can think I see in our future, is lots of rain.
Looks that way. Now, we need some rain, but we don't want to end up with too much.
Right.
And that's possible. We'll keep an eye on it the next several days, though.
Absolutely.